Hi, Hexmaniac Laura here, unboxing the Mega Mawile EX Premium Collection. This is the first of the premium collections that I've got, but I do have my eye. I think it's, is it the Aerodactyl that's got the premium collection as well? So depending on how the pulls are out of this box, I might get the, sorry, the bag I had this in has just fallen over. But depending on what the pulls are like out of this box, depends on whether I will spend the money to get the Aerodactyl one, because this one did cost me £35, which was ridiculous. So I have opened it at the side just to make it easier to unbox. So in this pack you do get 6 booster sets, a Mawile EX, Mega Mawile EX, Mawile Spirit Link, the pin, a nice coin, and the oversized Mega Mawile EX card. So I'm just going to pop this down. So let's try and get the 2 promos out of here. So first I'll show the coin. That is very shiny. I am absolutely obsessed with things that are holographic and shiny, so loving that one. These EX cards are in really well. So that's the Mawile EX, which is amazing. But I love the art on the Mega Mawile EX. That one is just fantastic. So this is my Mawile pin, Mega Mawile, sorry. And I am collecting all the pins that I get together, and I do have a little idea of what to do with them. So watch this space. If it works out, I'll show you guys. So take all the boosters out of here. This is the oversized, this is like huge Mega Mawile EX. Let me just move this packaging out of the way. Oops. So this is the Mega Mawile EX. So these oversized cards, I am planning on sort of framing them, because I'm putting them on my wall because they're amazing and I don't quite know what else to do with them. Oh, and also I didn't show you guys the Mawile Spirit Link, which is awesome. So the booster pack, let me collect all of these together. So got 2 Fates Collides, 2 Breakpoints, and 2 Breakthroughs. So I think I will start with Breakpoint. We've got 2 shiny Gyarados on the front of here. Let's hope we get some nice Pokemon out of this. So let's just do the card trick. I am left-handed, so that is why I do the card trick all funny. And we start with Corsola, Rattata, Kricketot, Numel, Shinx, Gabite, All Night Party. Okay, I haven't seen that one before. That sounds quite fun. Psychic's Third Eye. The reverse is a Timpole. And the rare is a regular Meowstic, which isn't too excellent, but I do love my psychic Pokemon, so can't complain too much. Let's get the next Breakpoint and see if we can get something better out of this one. So that's the code. So we have got Scorpy, that's probably not said right, but hey oh, Pancham, Kricketot, Petalil, Drowsy, Heatmore, Sawana, Cloyster. The reverse is a Gabite, and oh, we've got a holo of Garbodor, which is everybody's favourite pile of garbage. Keep my shiny hollow there. Next two we will do is Breakthrough. If I can actually open things without being completely stupid. So, code, but that's for me to redeem. Card trick. Cyndaquil, Hootoots, Mistravus, Froakie, Axew, Pillow-Swine, Rainbow Energy, Braxian, a reverse hollow of Pansage, and our rare in here is Staraptor. Not a hollow, just a regular rare. So keep those separate. Breakthroughs and breakpoints. So second breakthrough, let's see if we can pull something a bit better. It would be nice to pull an EX card out of here. And we start with Sandshrew, Cubone, Noibat, Pikachu, Magnemite, Dedenne, Super Rod, Ursaring, reverse hollow of Pansage. Didn't I get the reverse hollow of Pansage in the last one? That's pretty unlucky. Oh, a hollow of Haxorus. That is pretty sweet. So I put my two hollows together, and then the rest of my breakthroughs together. So we'll do the two Fates Collide sets. Still would be really nice to pull an EX out of here, but we will see. So, sorry if you can hear my neighbor's kids playing outside. So, code card. Oops. No spoilings. Alright, so we've got a Solosis, Vullaby, Coughing, Minccino, Diglett. Do you not think like Diglett looks like he's wearing lipstick? He looks like he's got a proper, what is it, Kylie Jenner pout on that one. Kangaskhan, Duosion, Mega Catcher. Oh, I just messed the card trick up on this one. Yeah, I got them the wrong way around, but hey ho. So we got a hollow of Lucario, and the reverse was a Bronzor. So that's 3 hollows. So that's pretty good pulling, but I would really love to pull an EX out of this last pack. So last Fates Collide pack. And let's cross all our fingers and toes that it is an EX, but I doubt it because of the artwork on that code card. I think it's just going to be a regular rare. So, Carbink, Burmy, Bronzer, Binnacle, Snubble, Mega Catcher, Braxian, and reverse Altaria Spirit Link, and the rare, yeah, is Superior. So out of here, we did get 3 hollows. It would have been really nice to get an EX out of here, but never mind. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.